just so that you know how old I am, I was here when we did the first one in 1982. We were part of a team from JWT which actually helped organize it then. And then to 2003, of course, in India again in Jaipur, which was absolutely awesome. I think this year the content has been phenomenal. I think the entertainment has been great. I think some of the speakers were absolutely stunning and awesome. I think if you compare what India is able to do compared to the rest of some of the other Asian countries, I think we are able to attract the best talent and hear them speak and share their views in, I think, what I would call a very frank and forthright manner. So it's been most enjoyable. It's evolved a lot. I think the only difference in this one is because of the venue, and I mean because it's in Delhi, we didn't have the grandeur of the entertainment which we had in Jaipur. But going back to the content, I think it's been very good. And I think that's where the differences lie. The content, the global speakers, the Indian speakers, or people who really understand our country. What I probably missed a bit was a little more of an Asian flavor, which was missing from this. Well, the key takeaways, one is everybody's saying the same thing. I mean, digital is the next engagement platform, but how you use digital is the challenge we face as operating companies and what we do with all this knowledge. So I think a lot of insights, great global insights. It tells us what we need to do to get ahead of the curve and how to approach brands, how to look at shoppers. And the big things we had this year was actually the shopper marketing, digital engagement, traditional importance still in our country. But we know that finally there's a consumer out there, and it's more conversation rather than you beam out your message and you don't get a receptive audience. So I think the way you're going to approach communication in the future, especially on this social platform, it will be very, very, very different. Now, whether we can do well on that is left to be seen.